Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make curry leaf oil at home. This oil is very good for your skin and hair. This treats wrinkles, reduces scars, heal wounds and treat acne. Very easy to make at home, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken some fresh curry leaves. Separate the leaves from the stem. Keep this ready. Now heat a pan. Into this add half cup of coconut oil. You can use any brand of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add the curry leaves. Give it a quick mix. Keep the flame on low till the end. Continue to mix for 10 minutes in low flame. Now you can see the curry leaves are shrinking. The essence of the curry leaves are nicely getting extracted to the oil. It's been 10 minutes and the curry leaves are completely dry and the oil is in light green color. This means the oil is ready. So off the flame and allow it to cool a little for about an hour. After an hour, you can strain the oil and store it in a bottle. You can store and use this oil for about 6 months time. Very useful and a healthy oil recipe. So do try this curry leaf oil recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Today I've taken a bunch of curry leaves. Remove 3 strands from the bunch. Now remove the leaves from the stem. Curry leaves helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. It is very good for your eyesight, reduces stress and climates bacteria. Clean wash the leaves and add it to a mug. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence and benefits of the curry leaves are getting extracted to the water. After 5 minutes, strain this to a mug. Then to this add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. It's a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy curry leaves lemon drink in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. Very easy, healthier and immunity boosting drink. So do try this curry leaves lemon drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.